With 1 day till the tax deadline, the IRS expects to receive 17 million tax returns this week. More than 11 million people are expected to ask for an extension to file their taxes, giving them until October 15th to complete them. If you are mailing in your taxes, they need to be postmarked by midnight tomorrow. But for many people, filing is faster online or even on your mobile device.
On my phone through TurboTax, and I just followed the instructions. It was done in like 20 minutes. And I got them back like 3 weeks later.
Now, even if you do get an extension to file your taxes, you still have to pay any estimated taxes you owe by tomorrow's deadline or start incurring interest and penalties.